clothes? Oh shit, shoot. Okay.
You know what? You are on packaging duty.
Guys, no coronavirus is coming over here.
Good morning, guys. So I'm kind of behind schedule. I was supposed to have been up by 8 o'clock so I can do makeup. I wanted to record a video, but of course that didn't happen. Right now it is 8:35, so I'm a little behind schedule. It's okay, but this coffee is kind of waking me up now. This is the new flavor that I haven't tried before. It's Cambodian. I'm gonna put the link and everything in the description so you guys can check it out. It's not that bad. You know, I drink coffee black anyway, so it's not that bad. So today me and my mom are about to go to my aunt's house. She just started a business and her business has been booming. So we're about to help her fulfill some orders. And then tonight is another auntie. It's her birthday party. So yeah, we're going to basically just gonna be doing that today. She said she has a lot of orders that she needs to be helped with. So I'm so proud of her. Her business she does is organic products for your hair, your body, and all that. And then I use it all the time too. I have a scar on my face. I've been using her products. It's been helping me. So I'm gonna put her link in I'm gonna put her link in the description box so you guys can check her page out, check her Instagram out, and you can even purchase some stuff because her stuff is amazing. Everything's organic, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with us to help her ship her orders. So we're late. We're supposed to be there at 10 o'clock.
Actually, look at the water shelves.
Guys, come on now.
Water and toilet paper. I don't understand.
That's crazy. So we're supposed to be there at 10 o'clock. We're an hour late. So we'll get some champagne so she won't feel like, you know, she won't be upset with us.
Never go to somebody's house empty-handed.
Wait, we're bringing you on. Oh, this is.
I know.
Oh, Andre down there. Andre.
So,
Which one you want? Corbel? It's fancy, huh?
$13 fancy.
Or we're gonna get some crooks.
Cooks?
Cooks. Which one you want?
I don't drink. I don't know what you guys like. Is that bottle big enough?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's the bottle you should take to Vegas.
Yeah.
Huh?
$20, yeah.
I think that'd be kind of cool. I don't want to be cheap.
How would they know though?
Because it says Andre.
Oh, they know that Andre. Okay. So you want extra dry? You get some crooks. Cooks.
So,
Extra dry or you want, yeah, that's
or Brute?
Where's Brute?
No.
This is Brute. Oh yeah, this is Brute. Brute's better. Eight. No hope.
No Pope is better. How long do we push record?
Okay, you turn it off and then we wait till we get online. So, okay, so we're an hour late. So, but she won't be so mad we bought some champagne, so she can't be as mad with us, right? Okay. right now we're about to help one of my aunties. She started her own business called Nena Organics. And yo, her products are everything. I try them all the time. Well, I use them, not try them.
I use them.
So this is one. This is the hair growth serum.
It works. So
I'm gonna tag you guys for you guys to check her out and her website. So this is in camera.
everything is organic.
So this is the hair serum. How long do you see results in? Do you use it every day?
2 to 3 times a week. You massage it into your scalp. You don't just set it on your scalp. You have to massage it in. And you'll see results in about 3 weeks.
Okay.
This has a little bit too much oil in it. And you'll see that when you pour it in.
Okay. So we're helping her fill it in.
Packaging.
Fulfilling orders. Because her business is booming. I'm going to sit you over here. That's my momager right there. You want to be on camera? Today's her birthday, guys. We'll turn up tonight.
It's really Friday, but I'm starting it.
Oh, see? There we go. See? That's where I get it from.
Name her business. Auntie's Bridget.
I'm going to put her Instagram in the bio, guys, so you can check her out.
What's the name of your business?
Let's shoot
Oh.
Let's shoot teak.
Les Shoutiques, the mobile shoe boutique.
I'm going to tag it in the description box. I'll put everything in the description box. I'm going to set you up here.
This is what you're gonna do.
Right now we're pushing limos, girls.
Okay, there we
You
go.
want?
If you guys are in
Oh,
if you guys in LA and you need
real
a
estate.
car rental, that's her.
Limos,
Limo.
real estate, ground, central transportation.
There we
So,
go.
before you push it all the way in, which I think is still too much,
Okay. Just see if it overflows.
lift it up because you gotta hold it up to the light to see.
Okay, we're good.
That's good.
Okay. Okay, you got this?
I don't know. Oh, I have to pour it myself. Okay.
Yes.
I done 2 for you already, young
Yeah,
lady.
she did. She did. So when I know when to stop?
We're gonna stop
You gotta
about
hold
right
it up
here.
to the light.
So you can
Okay.
see it. There. I invited Bolo tonight too. Bolo who?
Don't feel it any higher than here.
Oh,
I invited him too.
I have so much. You know what? This is
I
why.
wanted to do it. I'm sorry.
This is why I stick to clothes and YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing here.
What are you learning? There. So when we take our cruise, you can still run the business for Auntie. Are we gone? Yeah, right.
Right.
Give that one to your mom.
Okay, and then you fill it in.
Assembly line.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I think I got it now. I think I got it.
So don't fill it. That's what I say.
Fill
Hold
through
it
right
up
here.
to some light. And don't fill it any higher than here.
Okay.
You have to put the applicator in.
Right.
You need to get with it.
Girl, no, you know, that's why I stick to clothes. Oh, shit. Shoot. Okay.
You know what? You are on packaging duty. No.
She's fine. She just wasn't looking through the light. That's all.
Okay, you know what? I'm retired. I'm done.
It's called a mistake, Bridget. It ain't the end of the world. It ain't like you did it deliberately.
You're okay.
Okay. No.
Hand-and-eye coordination.
Girl, I feel so bad.
Why?
I wasted like
First of all, we don't waste nothing. Come, let me put. Give me a
Let me
napkin.
rub
Put
this
that
in
on
my
my
hair right
edges.
now.
Girl, okay.
Because I didn't do my daily application.
All right, we have to switch.
Okay, I do this one and you put this
Yeah, no, let me do labels.
Bridget's doing
That's
labels.
Bridget. Okay, let me shift.
Yo, I
My
got
turn.
fired on my day off. This is like.
You did not get fired.
Okay.
You have not been fired.
Alright, we're gonna finish.
Turn your hand over.
Okay.
You could have rubbed that in.
Put that in your hair.
You're right. Mama, you do it. Oh my God.
Alright.
That's the
Oh.
champagne. I blame the champagne, guys.
Where's the funnel?
Put it in the water.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna blame the champagne, but I messed up the whole little section. So, guys, did you guys see me mess up her orders? So I'm about to, I'm setting up, getting her things for her. Okay, so now we're done with the hair serum. Now we're doing the leave-in conditioner.
Yes, leave it.
leave-in conditioner. This is how it looks.
It's called Moist Locks.
Moist locks. Okay. And like I tell you guys before, she does everything herself. It's so amazing to be around someone who is an entrepreneur, who works hard, who motivates me to do better with our business. You guys know Bourgeois Boutique. You know our hats from Bourgeois Boutique. So yeah, anyway, promotions. So we have to fill this up.
This full?
I lost my duties of filling up.
Yeah, you're fired.
Yeah, I'm fired. So I'm just gonna oversee. Oh, see?
The IME.
See?
The IME shirt. This is Terry's campaign.
Oh wait.
Also,
We need to get you on
Give me
IME.
one. Give me one. See?
So this is how you measure.
Okay.
The top, when you screw it on, will go here. This is excess. So we cut this off just a little bit above. Where'd it go?
Diagonally.
Yes, on an angle. So since we can't find where that one went, we're going to get another one, the end, because the end is what we use to measure the rest.
Oh. I don't know if she should make me do this. You know, how champagne.
You're gonna be on white bottom.
But I'm gonna do my part for the business. Let's do it. Okay.
So we're going to eventually stick. You got any that full?
Yeah, all those three.
This is our little assembly line. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. Okay, so we just packaged up 2 bottles. We did the hair growth, the conditioner. Now we're doing the hair growth serum, right?
No, we're doing the leave-in.
I mean, okay,
All right, well,
leave-in
I'll call
conditioner.
Mario. I gotta go to my mom's house and pick up some stuff for the party.
So we're doing the leave-in conditioner. This is amazing, guys.
I'll hit him.
You guys really need to check her out. Her Instagram is Nena Organics.
Some champagne.
Nena _ Organics, right?
Yes.
So everything, like I said, everything's it's gonna be right here for you guys to check it out. On business, we need to support our Black-owned businesses here.
Everything comes from a
Women-owned
plant
businesses.
Yes. Oh yeah.
or a flower.
Plant or a flower?
Oh my God, guys, did you hear that? Plant or a flower? Right? Dr. Sebi is like here, like his presence is here blessing us.
So Dr. Sebi is the
Sebi,
reason
okay, I'm sorry, Sebi.
Dr. Sebi is the reason why this line exists, because he helped me heal from stage 2 and later stage 4 breast cancer.
Oh my God.
So he is the reason why this line even exists.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I'm not. It's a champagne, guys. But no, shout out to
That
like.
champagne will bring out a tear.
That's so beautiful though. Like nothing.
You fought the fight.
Nothing. You know.
Way before I met Paul. I think I was 4 or 5 years cancer free when I met him.
So now you're really good because after 5 years, it's over.
It's been 11.
Hey.
That's a blessing.
Look at God.
Look at God. Won't he do
So
it?
what were some of your symptoms?
I didn't have any.
So how did you know you had it?
A lump was found, discovered in my breast. And I just went just for a follow-up exam. And they discovered the lump. And the doctor wanted to just do the second time, she wanted to do a complete mastectomy. And I said, excuse me. I said, I was very angry, so the way I'm saying it now is not at all what was going on. I said, so you want to amputate my breasts because I had it once before. I said, so help me understand the logic behind that, given the fact that you don't even know if this is positive for any form of cancer, because you haven't even done so much as a needle biopsy. So you don't know what's in there. So, since you don't know what's in there, I recommend you get me somebody that has more than an A cup.
Ooh.
You're dismissed. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Did you get a mammogram often?
Right after I had to get them every 6 months. But I don't have to do that anymore.
Cause over.
Oh, I just had my first one last week.
First one?
Mm-hmm.
Women, we have to get checked.
Wow.
Bottom line.
Well, I'm only 32.
I just had
Yes.
I just
yes.
had mine done yesterday.
Yes, you did.
Did you?
I went
Yeah.
with her.
It hurt my neck more than it hurt my breast.
Your neck?
Yeah, because
they
they
smash everything.
Yeah,
and
but they push you
to the
like this.
side.
Oh, yeah.
So it hurt my neck more than it hurt my boob.
Perfect. See?
Ladies, we have labels.
Yes. Yes. It took like 3 times to do it, but we got it.
Okay.
We got it.
Our next step, we're gonna finish
We have to
these
finish
off.
these.
We're gonna start the assembly line going a little bit
Yes.
faster.
6.
And the champagne. I'm on the champagne job duties
Yeah.
and labels. Oh,
Got to
Bridget.
Hold on.
actually put the labels over here so it can stay dry. We don't want to.
We don't want them to.
Yeah.
They're waterproof.
I'm putting it on top of your little thing.
Okay, how's my leave-in? Almost ready.
And she has black soap, hand sanitizer, all that.
You want to show them a picture of the hand sanitizer
Mhm.
over there?
I can show her mine.
So there's a whole bunch of them over there.
Right here? Oh. Oh, yeah. So, guys, you know the coronavirus. Okay. Take 2.
Okay.
Take 2. So, you guys know the coronavirus is very strong. Everybody's afraid of it. So, she has hand sanitizer. And it's 91 proof alcohol. You know, everyone else is like
1%.
91%. You know what?
91%. Okay.
That works.
And
No
also show them this.
Okay. Let me do this. I like the hand sanitizer because this coronavirus is like, you know, thick. So.
It's a pandemic.
Oh, see? Right, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys to check it out. It's only $10, guys.
Yeah, that's the
See? See? I know what I'm talking
You
about.
pay attention.
Hand sanitizer, organic hand sanitizer, 91% alcohol.
What is
There you
it?
go.
Yeah, they only ask
50%.
They only ask for 60%
But how much
alcohol.
is how
And
much is
Nena's
the
91.
See? Guys, no coronavirus is coming over here.
natural grain alcohol, 91%.
See? You know what?
And was made for my husband, who is a limousine driver. And he asked for it because he said he couldn't find any anywhere. So I equipped him with the hand sanitizer and some gloves. Not like this, but they're black.
The
See?
black gloves.
There we go.
Yeah, but somebody called him and
This is best for when you have dry skin. I use it all the time. I have a couple of bars at the house, and I have eczema. So my skin is so dry, but I start using this moisture.
You guys, black soap is very popular. This one's better, guys. I'm not just saying that. So we're about to finish our assembly line, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys later. I'm gonna put some music on because I don't want no copyright violations. I already had 2 YouTube. So we're gonna play some music, and then I'll talk to you guys later.
I'm putting this.
It is. So we just left helping Nena Organics, and we're about to do something we shouldn't be doing, but I'm hungry. We're about to have some Popeyes. I'm probably just get the chicken strips.
That's what you want?
What do you think? Or should I just get the chicken sandwich? You get shrimp. Just get shrimp. I don't know if I want the chicken sandwich or...
No, that's not my stuff.
I will. Alright, cool. Oh, and she gave us a little cute little goodie bag for helping her. This is filled with stuff. I'm sure with you what I got when I get there, when I get home.